Uh, good, good morning to all. And in generally, the program for the improved school nutrition status of school children are carried out under the umbrella term School Health Promotion Program in Sri Lanka. The vision of the School Health Promotion Program is healthy and active younger generation. And this under the our programs, we have already identified some objectives. The minimize the nutrition problems among school children, inculcate good dietary habit, promote healthy habits, uh, produce a productivity citizen to the country through building national food culture, guide students to consume a balanced diet. These are our objective under the nutrition program. We have different programs. The one is a school meal program, school milk program, nutrition awareness program through the school curriculum, and nutrition awareness program as a co-curricular activities. And already we introduced school canteen policy. Next. And already we identified our strategies and provide with that COVID-19 situation, and we provide a nutrition package for school children who are benefiting under the school meal program. And already we introduced a Chandi Bandi nutrition awareness program, especially for the primary grade students and teachers and parents, and try to change their dietary habits, and introduce online nutrition certificate course for grade 6 to 13 students, and conducted art competition among students. Why we think about like that? Because we want to think about their nutrition uh, needs, and same times we need to and think about how we improve their nutrition knowledge and how we change their behaviors. Next. If I explain the nutrition package, already we have some objective as a safety measure to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Schools in the country were closed most of the time this year, because one time we started, again with the situation we closed. The meal program was temporarily hold as a safety regulation provided by Ministry of Health. Therefore, Ministry of Education has modified our school meal program, and we changed our strategies and identified we can provide nutrition package for students through principals for their homes. And what include in the package? The rice flour noodle, summer posha, that means the dried cereal, and eggs, coffee, and biscuits. Because that is we think about the nutrition value as well as the student behaviors and what they like it. And already we covered all students, what they who they benefited from the school meal program. And secondly, we think about the all students at the home, and sometimes they haven't any activities to do it. Especially the primary grades, means the grade 1 and 2 students, because the example students, they are working and they're learning different activities. But especially grade 1 and 2 students, very small kids, they haven't any activity. That's why we introduced child-friendly intervention like Chandi Bandi. That's a storybook, and distribute to all students. And also, it has a exercise package also. Then they can first they can learn that storybook. Then after that, they can answer the question. And also, it has another activity, the daily what they eat, and they can mention it. Then after that, they can identify the healthy items and as well as the unhealthy items, and they can change their behaviors. And that's a storybook already we distributed in Sinhala, Tamil, and English in the three languages, and they can study it. And they can share with others. Also, they can get idea from the parents. Motivate. That's a motivation story include through life's experience. Next. And already we think about the grade 6 to 11 students, especially grade 6 to 9, because the grade 10 and 11, that's examination related classes, but grade 6 to 9, that's the secondary grades, but they haven't any some courses or packages, study packages. Then we introduce online course for them. That's the 6 separate chapters are there. Then after every chapter, it has exercise. They can answer it and get the marks. What, how much they get from the paper. And if we complete that exercise, it's the expected level, then they can get certificate through the net, and they can follow it. So another nutrition certificate course we introduced in COVID-19 period. Another one is art competition for primary, junior secondary, and senior secondary students. We work with nutrition. In Sri Lanka, we have the Nutrition Society, and we work with them and introduce this art competition. That's a Nutrica, and there's a theme was mindful eating for a healthy nation. And we tried to change promote the use of safe and good quality food among the school children by sharing their dietary behaviors and disseminate nutrition knowledge and promote healthy dietary behaviors. And we conducted already and we completed that activity, and already we selected best arts from the student. And because of with the COVID-19 period, some of them submitted to the net and some of them posted. And there's a collaboration effort with the Nutrition Society, means the non-government organization. Next. And the next one, because that's a mind already mentioned, the mindful eating for a healthy nation. That is our theme, and already we conducted with all schools, and the private schools, international schools. Everybody have a chance to submit their challenge, talented. Next one. And next one, I think before the opening the schools, we give our attention how we ensure health, safety environment. And we identify some special areas, hand washing station at the entrance, and sick rooms, and the sanitization of the environment. Special, we give our attention to that. And because earlier the 10% of schools they had a sick room, but we provided facilities for all schools and ensure that all schools they have a sick room. And hand washing station also the same, because the inside the school they have hand washing stations, but at entrance they haven't. Then we provided hand washing station facilities as well as the support for them, and establish and ensure that all schools very safety, and the student can enter to school and learn, and without any restriction. And in that period, we conducted 2 national examinations, the grade 5 scholarship exam as well as the GCE advanced level examination. And in that time also, we give our special attention for healthy and safety environment, and provided meal for if some students need it, and also ensure the environment safety. And already we completed our A-level examination as well as the grade 5 scholarship exam, and already we conducted paper marking for grade 5, and we are ready to conduct A-level examination paper marking. This is the situation, and but it's not a Ministry of Education only worked and introduced these things. Always we work with other ministries, means especially Ministry of Health and Transport Ministry and all relevant ministries, as well as the UN agencies and the NGOs, and everybody supported us and provided different facilities for the schools. That's why we conducted different activities in that period. And especially, I think the third term will start on 23rd of November. But however, it's closed already. We have the alternatives. That's different learning packages we provide to students, and nutrition packages also we will provide to the students. I think these are the experience in Sri Lanka, and we have with the COVID-19 situation. Thank you.